Welcome, fellow travelers, to our journey through the 25 cheapest destinations in Europe. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure as we explore the hidden gems and budget-friendly havens scattered across the continent. But before we delve into our list, let's address the burning question. Is it possible to experience the beauty of Europe without breaking the bank? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the affordability of these lesser-known treasures. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are these budget-friendly havens? Well, hold on to your hats as we reveal the top 25 destinations where your dollar stretches further than you ever imagined. From the charming cobblestone streets of Lviv, Ukraine, to the stunning beaches of Albania's Riviera, each destination offers a unique blend of history, culture, and affordability. But wait, there's more. Did you know that you can enjoy a gourmet meal in Budapest for a fraction of the cost compared to other European capitals? Or that you can stay in a cozy guest house in Romania's Transylvania region for less than the price of a cup of coffee in Paris? Starting off our list at number 25 is Romania, home to the stunning Transylvania region. Explore the medieval charm of Brasov, wander through the fortified churches of Sibiu, and immerse yourself in the mystical allure of Bran Castle, all without putting a dent in your wallet. Moving on to number 24, we find ourselves in Bulgaria, where the Black Sea coast beckons with its golden sands and azure waters. Indulge in seaside bliss in Sunny Beach, uncover ancient history in Nesebar, and marvel at the natural wonders of the Rila Mountains. At number 23, we venture to Hungary, where the vibrant capital of Budapest offers a treasure trove of attractions at budget-friendly prices. Soak in the thermal baths, stroll along the Danube River, and feast on hearty Hungarian cuisine in this city of splendor. Next on our list at number 22 is Ukraine, with its charming city of Lviv, captivating visitors with its old-world charm and affordability. Lose yourself in the cobblestone streets of the old town, savor aromatic coffee in quaint cafes, and marvel at the grandeur of Lviv's historic architecture. Coming in at number 21 is Serbia, where the capital city of Belgrade offers a dynamic blend of history, culture, and affordability. Explore the medieval fortress of Kalemegdan, indulge in Rakija-fueled nightlife along the Sava River, and discover the hidden gems of this Balkan gem. As we reach number 20, we find ourselves in North Macedonia, where the charming city of Ohrid enchants visitors with its tranquil lakeside setting and rich history. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the old town, soak up the sun on Ohrid's pristine beaches, and delve into the country's fascinating past at the ancient fortress of Samuel. Our journey through the most affordable destinations in Europe continues as we unveil the treasures waiting to be discovered. Let's dive right back into our countdown with number 19. At number 19, we find ourselves in Albania, where the pristine beaches of the Albanian Riviera beckon with their turquoise waters and golden sands. Explore the charming coastal towns of Himara and Saranda, hike through the rugged landscapes of the Logara Pass, and discover the untouched beauty of this hidden gem. Moving on to number 18, we venture to Bosnia and Herzegovina, where the historic city of Mostar captivates visitors with its iconic bridge and rich cultural heritage. Immerse yourself in the charm of the old town, witness the mesmerizing spectacle of the starry most bridge divers, and explore the nearby natural wonders of Kravis waterfalls. Coming in at number 17 is Montenegro, where the picturesque Bay of Kotor awaits with its dramatic fjord-like landscapes and medieval charm. Wander through the maze-like streets of Kotor's old town, hike up to the fortress for panoramic views of the bay, and soak in the laid-back atmosphere of this Adriatic gem. Next on our list at number 16 is Poland, where the vibrant city of Krakow offers a wealth of cultural experiences at affordable prices. Explore the historic streets of the Old Town, delve into the somber history of Auschwitz-Birkenau, and feast on pierogi and Polish sausage in bustling market squares. As we reach number 15, we find ourselves in Slovakia, where the charming capital of Bratislava awaits with its fairy tale-like charm and affordability. Stroll through the cobbled streets of the Old Town, marvel at the medieval castle overlooking the city, and unwind in the quaint cafes and wine bars that dot the city streets. Our expedition through Europe's most economical destinations presses onward, revealing more enchanting locales ripe for exploration. Let's dive back into our countdown with anticipation as we uncover the next batch of budget-friendly destinations, starting with number 14, venturing to Lithuania. At number 14, we find where medieval architecture blends seamlessly with a modern vibe. Explore the cobblestone streets of the Old Town, marvel at the intricate detail of the Hill of Crosses, and immerse yourself in the rich culture of this Baltic beauty, all without breaking the bank. Now, at number 13, we set our sights on Latvia, where the bustling city of Riga beckons with its eclectic mix of medieval and Art Nouveau architecture. Wander through the narrow streets of the Old Town, sample traditional Latvian cuisine in the central market, and soak in the lively atmosphere of this vibrant capital. At number 12, we find ourselves in Estonia, where the enchanting city of Tallinn enchants visitors with its medieval charm and modern delights. Lose yourself in the fairy tale atmosphere of the Old Town, marvel at the panoramic views from Tumpi Hill, and discover the hidden gems tucked away in this Baltic gem. Coming in at number 11 is Croatia, where the coastal city of Split offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and affordability. Explore the ancient ruins of Diocletian's palace, stroll along the picturesque Riva Promenade, and soak up the Mediterranean sun on the nearby beaches of Marjan Park. At number 10, we find ourselves in Portugal, where the charming city of Porto beckons with its historic streets, stunning riverfront, and, of course, its renowned port wine. Wander through the colorful neighborhoods of Ribeira, cross the iconic Dom Luís XI Bridge, and embark on a tasting tour of the city's famed cellars, all at prices that won't break the bank. Now, at number 9, we set our sights on Greece, where the island of Crete offers an enticing blend of ancient history, stunning beaches, and authentic cuisine. Explore the Minoan ruins of Knossos, relax on the sun-drenched shores of Elafonisi Beach, and savor the flavors of Cretan cuisine in charming tavernas scattered across the island. Coming in at number 8 is Turkey, where the captivating city of Istanbul bridges the gap between Europe and Asia with its rich history and vibrant culture. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Grand Bazaar, marvel at the architectural wonders of the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, and indulge in mouth-watering Turkish delights at bustling street food stalls. At number 7, we venture to Slovakia once again, this time to explore the natural beauty of the High Tatras. Embark on scenic hikes through rugged mountain landscapes, marvel at cascading waterfalls, and experience the adrenaline rush of outdoor adventures, all without breaking the bank. At number 6, we find ourselves in Poland once more, but this time we're exploring the cultural capital of Krakow. Delve into the city's storied past at the Wawel Castle and Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial, meander through the vibrant streets of Kazimierz, and sample hearty Polish cuisine without breaking the bank. Now, at number 5, we set our sights on the Czech Republic, where the enchanting city of Prague awaits with its fairy tale charm and affordability. Lose yourself in the medieval streets of the Old Town, marvel at the astronomical wonders of the Prague astronomical clock, and climb to the top of Petrin Hill for panoramic views of the city. Coming in at number 4 is Spain, where the vibrant city of Valencia offers a wealth of attractions at budget-friendly prices. Explore the futuristic architecture of the City of Arts and Sciences, wander through the historic streets of the Old Town, and indulge in delicious paella at local eateries. At number 3, we venture to Portugal once more, this time to discover the capital city of Lisbon. Immerse yourself in the colorful neighborhoods of Alfama and Bairro Alto, admire the panoramic views from the Miradouros, and feast on delectable pastries at local bakeries, all without breaking the bank. Our expedition through Europe's most economical destinations marches onward, drawing closer to uncovering the ultimate budget-friendly havens. Let's dive back into our countdown, brimming with excitement to reveal the penultimate selection of affordable treasures. Without further delay, let's reveal number 2. At number 2, we find ourselves in Hungary once again, but this time, we're exploring the vibrant capital of Budapest. Delight in the grandeur of the Hungarian Parliament building, unwind in the soothing waters of the Széchenyi thermal baths, and stroll along the romantic banks of the Danube, all while keeping your wallet happy. Ukraine, yes, that's right. The stunning country of Ukraine takes the top spot on our list, with its captivating cities, rich history, and incredibly affordable prices. Explore the architectural wonders of Kyiv, wander through the charming streets of Lviv, and immerse yourself in the cultural tapestry of this Eastern European gem, all without breaking the bank. And there you have it, fellow travelers. Our countdown of the 25 cheapest destinations in Europe has come to a close. But the adventure is far from over. Whether you're seeking medieval charm, seaside bliss, or urban excitement, these budget-friendly havens promise unforgettable experiences.